So I am going to create a list. You can see this list, my list contains these numbers. So here I need to find the occurrences of number 6. So for that we can use the count method of list object. So let me check it. Mylist.count, then we need to pass 6 because we need to find the occurrences of number 6. You can see it has printed 3 because you can see 1, 2 and 3. So let me create another list items. So in this list you can see A, B, C, D, C, A, C. So here suppose I need to find the occurrences of character C. You can count it like this. C. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my video. Please share